In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your astrological profile on Snapchat. Okay, so once you've launched Snapchat, you want to go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left of the screen. And now you can see if I go ahead and tap on my astrological profile, you can see it is set up. So if I want to go ahead and delete this, what I need to do is go back and then tap on the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Then you want to go ahead and tap on birthday, and there you can see it says my astrological profile, and you can see a little X next to it. If you go ahead and tap on the X and then tap on clear, that will clear your astrological profiles. So now I can go back, and if I go ahead and tap on the astrological sign, you can see it takes me back to the setup page. So that is how you delete your astrological profile on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.